Sometimes it can be challenging to start painting on a blank page or canvas. In this video series, I'll be showing you how I make abstract and messy backgrounds to begin a painting or other artwork. I'll also be showing you how I tone papers to help me get past the blank page. I usually start these backgrounds with water-soluble graphite and water with a brush. I'm just going with what I like and I'm exploring as I go. Feel free to grab your supplies and work along with me. The videos I make aren't just for me, but they're to encourage you to create your art and motivate you to develop your process too. You can make these abstract backgrounds with whatever you have on hand, and you don't have to worry about any fancy supplies. Just grab some scrap paper or whatever you have around and watch the process and create along with me. The intention is to use what I'm drawn to for this stage. It's not to create anything that I'm attached to. I often use marks and patterns that I like and colors I prefer or want to experiment with. I'll add some music here and fill you in more about the video series later. next videos in this series, I'll be showing more freeform abstract backgrounds, how I quickly tone papers, and I'll talk about why and how it helps get past the blank page feeling. Then I'll be showing you how to use these painted pages to create artwork and more. If you'd like to see the series, please make sure to subscribe and turn on your notifications. I hope this will be a helpful resource. If you'd like to see more of my paintings in process, click one of the videos on the screen. Thanks for watching.